full name is Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. He was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist, and political ethicist. He led the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule and in turn inspired movement for civil rights and freedom across the world. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist. He was the first Prime Minister of India as well as a central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was an Indian politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India. He promoted the White Revolution, a national campaign to increase the production and supply of milk. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist revolutionary. Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, was an Indian queen of the Maratha princely state of Jhansi in northern India. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to British Raj for Indian nationalists. Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel. He was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was an Indian politician and a central figure of Indian National Congress. She was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. Chandrasekhar Azad, popularly known as by his self-taken name Azad. He was an Indian revolutionary who recognized the Hindustan Republican Association under its new name of Hindustan Socialist Republican. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, born as Keshav Gangadhar Tilak, he was an Indian nationalist, teacher, and an independence activist. Tilak was the first leader of Indian independence movement. The British colonial authorities called him the father of the Indian unrest. Kumaraswamy Kamraj was the founder and the president of Indian National Congress, widely acknowledged as kingmaker in Indian politics during 1960s. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, informally called Rajaji. He was an Indian politician, independence activist, lawyer, writer, historian, and statesman. APJ Abdul Kalam. His full name is Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He was an Indian liberal political leader and a social reformer during the Indian independence movement. Gokhale was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress and the founder of the Servant of India Society. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was an Indian philosopher, academic, and statesman who served as the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He was one of the founders of the Brahmo Samaj, the precursor of the Brahmo Samaj, a social religious reform movement in the Indian subcontinent. He was given the title of Raja by Akbar II, the Mughal Emperor. Rajendra Prasad. He was an Indian independence activist, lawyer, and scholar. He was the first President of India in office from 1950 to 1962. Swami Vivekanand, born Narendranath Datta, was an Indian Hindu monk. He was a chief disciple of 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. Dadabhai Naoroji, also known as the Grand Old Man of India and Official Ambassador of India. He was an Indian Parsi scholar, trader and politician who was a Liberal Party member of Parliament in the United Kingdom House of Commons between 1892 and 1895 and the first Asian to be a British member of Parliament. Surya Sen, also called Surya Sen, was an Indian revolutionary who was influential in Indian independence movement against British rule in India. Sen was a school teacher by profession and was popularly known as Master Da. Shivram Hari Rajguru was an Indian revolutionary from Maharashtra, known mainly for his involvement in the assassination of British Raj police officer. Mangal Pandey. He was an Indian soldier who played a key part in the events immediately preceding the outbreak of Indian Rebellion of 1857. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaigned against the social discrimination towards the untouchables. Rabindranath Tagore. He was a Bengali poet, writer, composer, philosopher and painter. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with contextual modernism. V. O. Chidambaram Pillai. He was an Indian freedom fighter and leader of Indian National Congress. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was an Indian nationalist whose defined patriotism made him a hero in India. He was also known as Netaji. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.